Could have plus third verb refers to a past possibility or hypothetical situation that did not happen. It often used to express regret, criticism, or to speculate about past event. Let us have some examples. I could have gone. She could have studied more. We could have helped. He could have been great. They could have arrived early. I could have finished it. You could have told me. She could have taken the bus. We could have eaten better. He could have called. They could have saved money. I could have bought it. She could have spoken clearly. We could have visited. They could have offered support. He could have been careful. You could have avoided traffic. I could have gone on vacation. She could have played better. We could have changed the time. He could have found a solution. They could have gone swimming. I could have decided better. You could have studied more.